Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulihil ameen. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika lahu wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Min nafkhihi wa nafthihi wa hamzih. Wa rabbuka yakhluqu ma yasha'u wa yakhtar ma kana lahumul khiyara. Subhanallahi wa ta'ala amma yushrikun. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one, based on this ayah of the Quran, who chooses, who decides upon the matters. There is no one who can have a say over the affairs, over the decisions by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Surah Al-Ankabut, juz number 20 of the Quran. For this matter, my brothers and sisters, this is related to the concept of istikhara. This ayah of the Quran actually relates to the concept of istikhara, and that is why, like the ayah of the Quran, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught Muslims, like an ayah of the Quran, how to do istikhara. In your matters of life, in crucial decisions, you should consult Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, seek His guidance, seek the goodness from Him, seek the khair, and seek His help in the process of making the right decision. That's what istikhara is all about. Now, this is what istikhara is. How to do the salah is very simple. You have to do two sections of salah, and do the dua of istikhara, which is very famous, found in Fortress of the Muslim, Hisnul Muslim, and also available all over the internet. Allahumma inni astakhiruka. Allah, I seek the guidance from you, goodness from you, decision, help from you. Guide me to make the right decision. If it's a bad choice that I'm about to make, then stop me from making that choice. And again, in every instance of that dua, there are three things you ask Allah. Best of the dunya, best of your religion, and best of the akhirah, in doing it or in not doing it. This is what it is, my brothers and sisters. Now, this is very quick summary of what I have actually already recorded earlier this morning. You listen to that, watch that. I have discussed the whole dua, and I've also discussed another part B, or next video, which is also embedded in the same thing, or most likely our friends will make a short clip of that. That what do you do if you don't have time? If you don't have time, I've made a video for that too. So you please watch that and take guidance. If you already know, then this is what it is. And one quick thing, there was a sub question people asked, that can you pay people to do istikhara for you? Absolutely not. This is not what istikhara is all about. It was an individual matter. Keep it individual. Don't have it monetized, don't have it professionalized, or don't bring money to this thing. This has nothing to do with money. Please avoid all these unfortunately people who are making a living out of guiding people for istikhara. Who could have done better istikhara than Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Nobody. But he didn't do it for his companions, for his family members. Then how could a sheikh have the authority to do that for you? The only people who can do istikhara for you are the ones where, let's say, this is a matter of the entire family. Family wants to do a business. There's a wedding taking place, and it's a union between two families. Sure, this is where families have the right. Your father, your mother, girl's father, girl's mother, they have the right to do istikhara. But other matters, please don't involve these sheikhs or so-called. To me, they're like fortune tellers, really. Don't get involved with these people. Don't waste your hard-earned money. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect you and I. Watch the detailed video. Inshallah, you will learn a lot from that. Jazakumullahu khaira. Alhamdulillah.